Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be doing two unboxings. Both of them are from House of Sillage. Normally I put my House of Sillage stuff in and get ready with me's, but there's just one thing here that is just too special for me to do that. Like, I had to do it on camera. I haven't peeked, and this is the longest I think I've had a package and not opened it. I've been so tempted to, but I haven't. Now, there's two boxes because I didn't know that one was coming. One I knew was coming, and I opened up the box because there's usually some type of filler in there so that everything isn't moving around, but it's usually a big white box. So I opened the brown box thinking there was gonna be a white box, and there wasn't, and I wasn't prepared for this. So I did see it already, but I haven't opened one of the things. All right, I'm just gonna go ahead and get into this, and I'm gonna start off with the one that I have already opened, and then I have a big mystery box. This is the one that I am like, I just can't wait to open. All right, let's get into this. What I'm about to show you is the Comfort Collection set. All right, now I've got my box. I'm trying to protect my address, and I have a little card from House of Sillage. Both of these were sent to me. The card reads, "Dear Mel, I hope our comfort set brings you joy during these times we are all in together." And then, oh, it starts to describe what's in here, so I don't want to do that. The first thing I have already, like, I have a thing for blankets, so I already opened this up. I was like, let me feel it, let me feel it. You have no idea how many blankets I have in my house. I have 3 in the floor right now. I'm not even kidding. Charlie usually takes them, so I end up buying more than she claims them. It's a cycle. But this says House of Sillage. It is a faux mink throw valued at $88. Oh, I love blankets. You just don't know. And it says House of Sillage on here. See this? This is such a nice gift. Now, I'm going to keep it for myself because I'm always cold in the house. But this is so nice. I'm sure Charlie is going to try and steal this for me. I bet she will. All right, let's open up the other thing. This is a candle, and it's in the scent Blancmange. I have not smelled this before, so I'm going to open it up, get the cellophane off of here. I should not be trusted with knives. I really shouldn't. I can't tell you how many times I have cut my fingers. I'm terrible. I'm so terrible. I can already smell this through the box. So far, so good. But on it, it reads, "Unwind with this timeless, comforting scent that combines the soft, nutty aroma of Madagascan almond with the warm and creamy tones of Mediterranean vanilla." Oh, that sounds amazing. Each candle is a beautiful balance of high-quality soy wax and luxury fragrance. Let's open it. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, this smells amazing. Like, this smells like something I could drink. And it's so heavy. Okay, so there's a little plastic thing on top. I want to light this. It almost reminds me like of not coffee, but like something they put into coffee that smells amazing. All right, I went and got a lighter, and I'm going to light this. So much easier to do when you don't have acrylics on. I used to ask Puffin all the time to light my candles because I was like, I'm going to light my acrylic on fire. Oh, this is beautiful. I'm telling you, it's very, very weighted, and it smells amazing, but I want to see how this like fills the room. That's gorgeous. Oh, it's so pretty. So the value of the box and the candle is $60. The throw was $88, but you get the collection for $74. It's a $148 value for $74. The next thing I have to open is the Beauty and Fragrance Collection Mystery Vault by Nicole Mather. Now, this is the founder and CEO of House of Sillage. I got an email from House of Sillage, and they talked about how she had watched my video, and I got like all excited, and I don't know, I just feel very grateful to receive this. This box's retail value is $1,973. That's almost $2,000. And the price for the box is $986. And on the website, it says that this exclusive beauty and fragrance collection mystery vault takes you through the ultimate journey of House of Sillage. Discover our heritage, craftsmanship, and opulence. This very special mystery vault curated by founder Nicole Mather. Guaranteed to have a limited edition fragrance valued at $1,210. Wow, and then a bow lipstick case valued at $198. That's guaranteed in each mystery vault. All right, I'm excited. Here is the big, beautiful white box that I have not opened up. It is heavy, and we're gonna get into it together. And by the way, fragrance is definitely filling the room. Ooh, I have another throw. Oh, and this one's all done up with the bow. So I'm not gonna take this apart because you guys just saw this in the comfort set. But now I can probably gift this one to my mom. Yeah, I think she would like that. I'm actually trying to figure out which fragrance I want to get for her because there's several that I love. I've been loving the Whispers of Time. It's just, it's like, I can't even go anywhere, but I just want to spray the bottles just so I get the smell, and that smell invokes memories and just happiness. I've really been enjoying that one. Here is Nicole, the CEO and founder. Beautiful. I know what's in here. I'm a collector of these, and I can't wait to see which one is in it. It's gonna be one of the bows for the lipstick. Let me see. Okay, so you open it up, and it's the white leather case. I'm excited. Then you have it, it's in the bag. I'm like, so much mystery. I'm like, what color are you? Oh, it's white. I don't think I have I don't have the white one. I don't have a white one yet. Look at it. It's so beautiful. And I have all of the House of Sillage lipsticks. You just pop it in there, and they're refillable, and there's Swarovski crystals all over this. And then the enamel, these are so luxe, so luxe. And the white just looks so fancy and sophisticated. Just clean, it looks clean. It goes with my white candle. There's 2 lipsticks in here. This is what goes inside of the actual bow, and I'll show you that real quick. This one is Duchess. So it comes like this. Take off the top, and then there's a little plastic piece. Take that off, and then you're actually going to pull out right there as well. Take your bow, take it apart, put this down. You'll hear a little click, and then you can turn it and it goes up. So this one right here is Duchess. That's the shade. And the other color I got is Prince. It's a lighter pink. There it is, side by side. Here you have like an entire sleeve of the travel size sprays. This is actually how I figured out some of my favorite fragrances from House of Sillage. I don't believe it was this exact one, but I had another one. And this contains Cheveux d'Or, which is one of my favorites. Where is it? Yes, this one right here. This one comes in a red bottle. Oh, this one smells so good. This one and Whispers of Time are the 2 that I've been grabbing for the most as of recently. Now we have a travel spray. I'm gonna do it slow. Oh, white again. Oh, this is beautiful. I love the white. Again, the enamel, very heavy, very luxurious. You've got the crystal on top. It says House of Sillage on the top, around the middle where it opens up. And this is where you put your travel spray. So I'm going to take that one I just told you I love so much. I'm gonna pop it in here, and then boom, look at that. So nice. Ta-da! You really have to see these in person to truly appreciate the craftsmanship and the Swarovski crystals and everything. They're just beautiful. Wait until you see the perfume, which I haven't even seen, but I've never been let down by the perfume, and I saved that for last. It has a big blue bow on it. I mean, you have to save this for last. Oh, okay, let's get into it. Undoing the bow. I'm excited and nervous. I don't know why I'm nervous. Okay, you open, oh my gosh. Okay, so this isn't, wow. There is a legit box in here. Oh my gosh. This closes. Does it open? How do oh, you push it and it opens up. Do you see this? Oh my gosh, it just clicks down. The entire inside of this is even lined. You've got a cloth to clean. Oh my gosh, I wasn't ready. I didn't know it did that too. Oh my gosh, the amount of detail. Wow. Okay, House of Sillage, you outdid yourself with this one. I don't even know what to say. Do you see? I don't think I've ever seen something so beautiful in my life. And I love all of their bows. I love all their fragrances, like everything that they do as far as like the design and everything. They're just so impeccable. But wow, wow. Okay, I have to spray this. Okay, and the name of this one is Tiara. I'm gonna spray it on this arm. Oh, this smells good. Okay, I recognize something. It started off a little sweeter. Now I feel like I smell something slightly like spicy or something. Let me find the notes. The top notes are tangerine and cinnamon. I think that's where I'm getting that little bit of spice. And then heart notes, rose oil and peony. And then base notes, vanilla and musk. It smells really good. Oh, I smell the musk more now. I really enjoy that whenever you spray a fragrance, like the first reaction, and then you wait like 5 minutes and you smell it again and there's something else. And then as it really dries all the way down and really melts into the skin, you can smell, again, more notes. I'm smelling that musk now. Oh, it's so beautiful. And this candle burning over here is mixing very well with this fragrance. So if you like vanilla, this is like a whole new level. It's unlike any other candle I have personally smelled with those type of scents. It's much more potent and in a good way. It's not overwhelming, but it's definitely filling up this space. I'm loving that candle right now. Loving this fragrance. I love everything. I am so grateful. I'm just, this box even, I can't believe how they did this. Oh my gosh, it's luxury to the max. It's beautiful. I'm sitting here thinking about Mother's Day and I'm wondering, I wonder if my mom would like this one. Because I've been trying to figure out which one I should get for her. I have to kind of take a mental note with her when she says something about the way I smell, like if she likes it. So I'm like, okay, you like this, this, and this. And I think that this might be the one for her. I think it might be. It just might. But I don't want to say anything final in case she's watching this. Anywho, I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. I feel so incredibly grateful and lucky. Thank you so much, House of Sillage. You guys spoil me. You spoil me so much. And I can't say enough good things. Everything I have gotten, everything I have purchased, just everything is amazing. Everything is high quality luxury and the fragrances last on me. The lipsticks are nice and creamy. I love the bow cases. I have this feeling of euphoria right now. Just, I don't know, is this real? Is this real? This is so amazing. Anywho, I hope you guys enjoyed this little unboxing. Let me know what you think and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.